Uh, Hello people. So after long I'm making this video, and I'm at this place called Yogan Fruit, which is in Maritpalli, and I have this sweet little very helpful young man with me. His name's Revant. But people, if for the ones who are interested in all this organic food and stuff like that, I'm personally very interested in eating this healthy food, so to speak. I mean, be it dry fruits and millets. And see, yeah, take a look at this. It's a very different kind of store. I mean, this is in West Maritpalli, and it's nice. So, Revant Garu, would you want to tell us something about? That's what it takes people by surprise if I suddenly start recording the video. But seriously, people, this is an amazing place if you want healthy, fresh sort of food and dry fruits and I think pickles and stuff like this. So this is in West Maritpalli and it's called Yogan Fruit. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.